Hey guys, I'm Deborah. Look what I got here. The brand new realme AIoT product. And guess how many gadgets are in the box? Alright, let's unbox it now. First, we got a new member, the realme SmartCam 360. If you're looking for a CCTV for your house, office, or your room, you can consider it. This SmartCam 360-degree comes with 1080p video recording with 360-degree panoramic vision. Support up to 128GB microSD card and even got the AI motion detection monitor. If you want to check out the situation or voice talkback with your loved one in real time, no problem, you can do it too. The price tag of this device is only 199 ringgit, less than 200 leh. Secondly, the wearable realme Watch S comes with a price tag of 369 ringgit. Compared with the other brand smartwatches, it is still affordable. It's for a 1.3-inch display and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, an aluminum case and a silicone strap. As for the battery, it can last up to 15 days and support magnetic charging. It features a blood oxygen app, heart rate monitor, up to 16 types of sport mode and more than 100 types of watch face. For the music lover and gym junkie, you can't miss out on the realme Buds Air Pro, which costs 369 ringgit. Last time the company has launched the Buds Air. So what are the improvements and upgrades on this? It features a noise cancellation, transparency mode, and S1 chip. It only takes 1 hour to fully charge and stay up to 25 hours. If you forget to charge the earbud, no worries, because the company claims that 10 minutes of charging time can last for 3 hours playback. If you're a clumsy person like me, worried that earbuds might be lost, the realme Buds Wireless Pro. This is slightly cheaper and with a price tag of 269 ringgit, which is 100 ringgit cheaper by comparing with the realme Buds Air Pro. To connect to a device, you can just separate the buds and disconnect by clip them together, so you can save the battery from there as well. On the other hand, there are some buttons over here to let you activate the noise reduction, voice assistant, volume, and more. For charging time, it takes 1.5 hours to fully charge and lasts up to 22 hours of audio playback. With 5-minute charging can last up to 100 minutes playback. And the last item, which is the one me and my colleague wanted it for so much and we even fight for it. Ta-da! Which is the realme N1 Sonic Electric Toothbrush. It comes with 2 color variants, which are blue and white. This toothbrush can vibrate goes up to 20,000 times per minute and the single charge can last for 130 days. It also comes with 3 cleaning modes, which are soft mode for the sensitive teeth, the cleaning mode for daily use, and polish mode for shining purpose. For all these features, it only costs 99 ringgit. So now you know why I fought with my colleague. All these products can be linked by the realme link except the toothbrush. Basically, I would say these products are affordable. So if you are considering getting one of the products that I mentioned earlier, I think it's worth trying. Belum try, belum tahu, sekali try semua pun mau. Who knows, you become one of the realme fans. To buy this product, you can make a move to their official website to make a purchase. So which gadget would you go for? Don't forget to leave your comments below, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah. Goodbye. Don't miss me. Bye.